Hello everyone, Christina Yuppe here, animal communicator, nature communicator, and I'm welcoming you to this latest video of mine where I've brought something with me to this video, an orchid. Here we are. Look at this lovely orchid. Why have I brought this orchid with me? Because I thought I'm going to do a communication with this orchid, just really off the cuff, a very spontaneous decision, and we'll see what comes of it. And hopefully it'll be inspiring and enlightening for all of us. So, you've seen it here first, communication with an orchid. Let's tune in. So I'm really putting myself into a state of gratitude here, stillness, and focusing on the orchid and nothing else. Just really expressing my admiration for this orchid, admiring its blossoms and shiny leaves, and asking if it has a message. Or is there anything it wants to say? This particular blossom is saying, don't my blossoms look like a butterfly? Don't they remind you of the wings of a butterfly? Quite excitedly. And I agree. there's a steadiness about this orchid, dependability, and also an air of camaraderie and cooperation. You can see the blossoms here, they are very much here lined up, very much one after the other, and I get this emphasis on working together, on alone we're strong, but together we're stronger. That's what comes across from this set of blossoms. And also really from the whole plant, this notion of work together, let your light shine, but if you cooperate with others, co-create with others, your light will shine even brighter. And it is true. It's the blossoms all look the very same on the surface, but together they form an impression that one single blossom alone wouldn't do. It would be different. It would still be stunning, but together they do provide or do present a magnificent sight. And a reminder to me, to us, to seek each other's help, to seek each other's expertise, to really agree to disagree if need be, to be different but work together yet, to support each other. The blossoms are turning in different ways. As you can see, this one faces outwards, this one turns. Again, a little bit of different turns here. So a reminder that even within a collective, a community of any sort, a group, a team, everyone can be different. Everyone can use their own strengths and be who they want to be, even within a collective, within a circle. And that's only beneficial and can give rise to strengthening the whole. The differences can give rise to strengthening the whole. Yet underlying, there needs to be a common ground, there needs to be a common values, an agreement somewhat, really. Yeah. So that's what I'm getting from this orchid. There's order there in those blossoms, isn't there? There's order there. But yet, there's individualism. They all present the united front, but still, they each impress in their own way. Some of them overlapping, some of them aren't. Some of them are touching, some of them aren't. So it's all again reinforced the message of, even though we're all of the same essence, we can let our different lights shine. We can reveal our different patterns. Some tiny, tiny differences there in the patterns. Some tiny differences. We can reveal our uniqueness, our individuality. We can give ourselves permission to do so. Always protecting each other, always rooting for each other, supporting each other. None of those blossoms is more important than another. They're all working together to just be, to sparkle in their own way, to delight our eyes. I hope you enjoyed that reading. Well, actually, I don't like the way reading, but I suppose it feels more of a reading because it wasn't a two-way communication at the moment. It was an impression from the orchid, a message that the orchid wants to give us all. I'll do another one sometime soon. Let me know if you'd like me to communicate with a particular plant or with a flower. Bye for now.